Hello everyone, I'm Yusuke from Daily Garlic. Today I want to introduce one book, Norman Guide. This is a specialized book for fermentation by famous restaurant. This book keeps inspiring me about the fermentation, especially black garlic. In the book, there is a topic about the black garlic like this. This is the procedure of black garlic. There is suggested use. This time, I try to make black garlic ice cream. Today I'm gonna make black garlic ice cream. The ingredient is quite simple. Black garlic, cream, sugar, egg. Egg must be fresh. Firstly, prepare 3 bowls. Largest bowl for cream. It's a 200 ml. The second bowl is for sugar and egg yolk. Sugar is 70 grams. Separate egg and egg yolk. In the third bowl, white egg. In the sugar, egg yolk. Stir egg yolk and sugar. Stir well till the color looks mayonnaise. See, the color is a light yellow color. Next, I'm gonna mix white part of egg till the texture like a cream. Like a cream. I have this bigger bowl, so I use this instrument. Which one is better? I think this one is, almost. This one I also make a foam. Mix us everything into the cream. Mix up. Everything getting smoother. At the last, I'm gonna put the black garlic. This time, I try only black garlic flavor. I don't put any vanilla essence or vanilla beans. Put the black garlic inside. Here's black garlic. The mixture is finished. I'm gonna keep it in the fridge. Leave in the freezer around a few hours. Now is the afternoon of the next day. How about the result of ice cream? It's totally frozen. Still soft. Oh, you can see the black garlic. So now is the decoration. Almond. And put the ice cream. It's not so like totally hot. It looks really yummy. The ice cream. Different from my image, but it's okay. And a little cocoa powder. The meal is ready. The ice cream is already melting. Taste. It's really yummy. Actually, black garlic and vanilla ice cream match really well. There's no conflict. You can enjoy the rich cream of vanilla ice, and the aftertaste you can feel the black garlic mixed with the almond powder and cocoa. Also really good. Ice cream melt a little too fast. Also better to keep in the freezer a little longer. Everything is finished. Making ice cream quite easy, but matching with black garlic, I think if someone who loves the black garlic, it's really satisfying. Texture is closer to the raisin, and about the portion black garlic, I think you don't need to put so many things. It's like adding the accent. So base is ice cream, and the black garlic is kind of the assistant. Make the flavor profound. Hope you try it. Enjoy.